What's up everybody? Welcome to another brand new episode of SHOEGR Academy. It's your boy Mojo aka SHOEGR Daddy. आपने बोला और हमने सुना. So Thaely just asked us, can our ultimate kit clean these Thaely sneakers? And yes, we got them और हमने इनको not very but काफी हद तक गंदा कर दिया है. And let's see how the ultimate kit works on it. Before getting down to the business, let's talk about these sneakers. So Thaely is actually making the sustainability statement. These sneakers are made out of 12 plastic bags and 15 plastic bottles. Also, the glue is vegan. Isn't it amazing? But the ultimate question is, can our ultimate kit clean these sustainable sneakers? Let's find it out. Before we begin, let's keep the left shoe for the reference and work on the right shoe. Here it is. Let's remove the laces first. We'll work on them separately. So let's just keep it right over there. First thing first, before getting down to the business, we will dry clean them with our soft brush. Since the shoes got some suede material to it, I think it's pretty similar to suede. So let's just try to clean it. Yeah, we can see. As you can see, the whole front toe is pretty nicely clean. But there is some on the fabric that we have. So for this we would be needing the solution so that we break the dirt easily. So let's begin with our collapsible bowl. Pour down some water, set of 200 ml. Now we will use our sugar cleaning solution. Set of 3 squirts, as you know, 1, 2, 3. We will start with the uppers, then we'll go to the mids and then to the bottoms. We'll use the soft brush. This is perfect for our uppers and we will even clean it from the inside. Though it's not very dirty, but I can see some stains over here. So we will dip the brush and let the cleaning begin. So मैं बहुत ज़्यादा pressure apply नहीं कर रहा हूँ and plus I'm going in a circular motion. We'll use the microfiber to remove the foam and get rid of the dirt. Voila! It looks so great. I'm already seeing the difference. Coming back to life, right? Okay, let's move to the other side. This shoe actually looks like a spaceship. Let's get down to the fabric light material. Let's be a little careful क्योंकि जो suede है उसको हम नहीं wet करना चाहेंगे. And I'm going to be very carefully working on just the fabric material. Yeah. So as you can see, there are these corners and brush वहाँ पे नहीं actually में work करेगा अच्छे से. So we will be using the microfiber just to get down to those tight spots. There you can see. Alright, let's move to the other side and do the same business. only reason to use the microfiber towel over here is shoe की काफी weird shapes हैं, and our brush cannot go to those tight spots. The uppers are pretty much done. Tongue इनकी इतनी गंदी नहीं है, so we will just keep it like that, and we'll try to clean a bit from inside. It's a old fabric material, and I also don't know what this material can be or what we can call it. But let's get down with the soft brush and give it a nice gentle clean. Now it's time to get down to the mids and the bottoms. So for that, we won't be using the soft brush, we will be using the medium bristle brush. Because since जो हमारा bottom होता है, it's made out of rubber and little thick material. This is pretty much like rubber as well. So our medium brush will be perfect for this. Clean it, nice, clean. Yeah, I can see. Same goes with this side. Trust me, मैंने आज तक इतने बड़े midsoles पे काम नहीं करा. This sneaker is one of a kind. Let's not forget the front. Time for the bottoms. For all apart stays, we will use the hard bristle brush. Perfectly clean, looking amazing, looking fresh. Let's not forget the laces too. These are not very dirty, but we would still clean them. हम इनको dip करेंगे हमारे solution में, थोड़ा सा rinse करेंगे. We'll use the towel to clean out all the foam. There you go. This is how it was before and this is how it is now. And yes, Mithali, I hope we have cleared your doubt that Ultimate Cleaning Kit does work on these Thaely sneakers. It can also work on any kind of sustainable sneakers. You don't have to worry. If you have any other cleaning challenges for us, you can always drop it down in the comments and we will take and accept that challenge. Also, the first 20 people who will buy the Ultimate Kit will get 15% off. All you have to do is use the code SUSTAINABLE. Till then, hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget to love your shoes. Let's go!